In life, there are laws. In growth, there are laws. If you want to learn and grow, you must observe, pay attention, and take decisive action to ensure these laws work in your favor and not against you. The greatest achiever on earth pay attention to the laws of growth and success. So they not only achieve more but also live richer and more fuller life. Here are the four important laws of growth. Pay attention, listen closely, take notes, and take action. Number 1. Let your results speak for you. You don't always need to tell everyone what are you up to or what are you planning to achieve. Let your results do the talking. People will notice and respect you more if they see your results before they hear your plans. So work hard and let your results speak for you. Number 2, listen more. You cannot learn if you do not listen. You cannot grow if you do not learn. So learn to listen more. Learn to listen better. Listen with purpose and intention to get something out of it. If you are serious about making your life as great as it can be, you should be committed to be an eternal learner, a student of life. Pay attention, listen more, to be more. Number 3, react less. The less you react, the better you can respond. Don't jump to conclusions or let your emotions overpower you. You have to discipline your emotions and reactions to every person and every circumstances in your life. There is an important quote that says, one of the best lessons you can learn in life is to master how to remain calm. Practice being calm in all situations. Number 4, observe more. The closer you observe, the better your understanding, and the better your understanding, the better your decisions will be. Pay close attention to those you admire, the people who are living a life similar to that you want to live. Pay close attention to the teachings you want to master, the skills and habits you want to develop. Observe what works and what doesn't work in your own life. Observe, evaluate, and make changes accordingly. And finally, the principle of growth everyone must add to the recipe: take action. As Bruce Lee said, knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. If you want anything in life, get up, get out there and get it. Make a decision that you want it and do whatever it takes to get it. I wish you all have a blessed life ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.